No matter how difficult your life may seem right now, there are still some things you can control in life. Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Life Tour. I am Zubair and I help people to take the next bold move. Life is a series of events which happen one after the other, and then you die. Between the time you're born and the time you hit the basket, you will have to juggle between the things you can control in life and those which you cannot. Quite often, we program ourselves by repeating woe-causing statements like, "Oh no, I wish it was under my control. Alas, I couldn't control that." A bad situation or a bad feeling. The result being we don't either control the things which are controllable or the things which are not. Studies have shown that incredible change happens in our life when we decide to take control of those things which we can do. Let me frame an example over here. Life is a race of ups and downs. When there are ups in life, you should be happy. When there are downs in life, you should be happy. Now let's just take one sad moment of your life. Let's say someone's brother or someone's sister or someone's dear one expired. What we do is we keep extracting and exaggerating the situation of sadness. We keep mourning, rounding here and there. So what we do is we exaggerate the situation. Now when there is a happy moment in life and someone's brother gets married, why don't we exaggerate the same? That's for sure under our control, right? So ladies and gentlemen, today I am going to share a list of things we can control in life. Sit down, get comfortable, because I'm about to break some delusions of life which you have been using to justify your lack of happiness or success. Sometimes my videos can be a little long because I never compromise on the quality of content. Hence, it's very important to watch the video till the end. So let's understand all the things we can control in life. How many times you smile today is certainly under your control. How often you say thank you. How you act on your feelings. How you interpret situations. How often you notice and appreciate small acts of kindness. Whether you listen or wait to talk. When you walk away from a conversation. How nice you are to yourself. Whether you dwell on negative thoughts or let them go. How much time you spend worrying. Whether you try new things or do what you have always done. How much you enjoy the things you have right now. How often you say, "I love you." What books you read. Whether you ask for help. How many risks you take. How creative or innovative you are in your thinking. Whether or not you judge other people. How quickly you try again after you fail. You can control your beliefs. You can control your attitudes, your perspective, the way you look at the things. This list of things you can control in life should be your ultimate wake-up call. This will help you realize how much of your life is actually under your own control. If something is not working out for you in any of these regards, the only person to blame is you yourself. The reality is this: even though you might not like the situation you are in, you can choose to accept it. Once you learn to accept what is and then focus on what you can control, you win. Today, take a moment to go through this list and reassure yourself of all that you have control over and take back control of anything shared. So friends, stay happy, stay blessed, and enjoy the now of your life. If you feel this video was informative, drop us a like, comment, and share my videos. For more updates, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay tuned. I will see you soon in the next video. Till then, take care.